Hold on. Point it towards me first. Come on.
Why?
Just point it towards me. I want
No!
to watch it. Yeah. Before you all get in, I've got to say something. Point it towards me.
Shut up, Brock!
It's recording. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Come on, donut.
Oh shit! Can't be that. It is that cold! Oh my god!
These guys are idiots,
We'll get fucked.
and let's see how far they can go.
It's us three in the back.
Stick your foot in. Stick your foot in, you'll see why.
Oh god! You're I don't know what's worse now. Dude, just fucking do it again.
Jordan, you're in the fucking way!
Oh dear god.
Come on, guys!
Okay, I cannot feel nothing.
He's done. He's got out of the hospital about half hour ago, so I don't think he should go in.
Oh god.
I cannot believe we're actually doing this.
Do it!
Oh, yeah!
Yes!
Oh, shit! Oh, dear God. Oh.